Good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Sandeebas, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Sri Ayyappa College. I request all of you to watch this video for getting a new tips from online teaching learning tips. So today I'm going to present a very good interactive software for you. Its name is Hot Potatoes. Hot Potatoes should include 6 applications, which enabling you to create interactive, multiple choice, short answer, jumbled sentence, crossword, etc. So this Hot Potato is a freely available software we can download from the internet without any cost. So this is the window of Hot Potato. So first of all, I invite you to see how to download this Hot Potato from internet. We just take Google Chrome and type Hot Potato. Hot Potatoes. This is the web page of Hot Potatoes. Click it and you can download the latest version, Hot Potato 7. I have already downloaded in my system, so I am not going to that. So when we open Hot Potato, you see this is the icon. So this is the Hot Potatoes. Here JClose, JMatch, JMX, JCross, JQs, and finally the masher. Different suite which available in our Hot Potatoes to create interactive multiple choice, short answer, jumbled sentence that I have already mentioned. So we can go to first one, JClose. So it will open this window and you can see that first of all we have to give a file name and it's saved. Then only we have to start our project. So I am giving chemical equilibrium. Okay. So then I try to save. Can give a name, chemical. Then can save in desktop or any other place you want. So thereafter you can start your project. This close means is just similar to that fill in the blanks. Here a content, I just copy from here and I paste. So this is the definition of Fleischmann principle, and here I just close this sentence, equilibria of reactions. I applied a gap. Then if you want to give a clue, what is the blank there, you can give a clue for that. And if you want to give an alternative answer for the exact phrase of equilibria of reactions, you can give it. I am giving chemical equilibrium. Then okay. Then we can copy another statement. This is the definition of common ion effect. We can apply the same strategy what we applied the former case here also. Here we just close this common ion effect word. After selecting that word, you just click gap, and if you want to give a clue, then you can give, otherwise you can leave, or any alternative correct answer here also you can put. Okay, then you just save again. So now our project is saved. If you want to create an HTML file, you just click to here, this icon. We can save this project as a HTML file. We can do that by clicking here, export to create hot potatoes version as a web page. Okay, and you give a name, chemical equilibrium. While you giving that name, you don't put a space in between chemical and equilibrium. You just give as a single word, because we are creating HTML file, so no need to put a gap. If you want to see the file what you have saved, you can click here. Otherwise, you can go to the place where you saved it. Now we are seeing by clicking here. So you see, it's just like that filling the blanks. We know the word that chemical equilibrium here. If you writing something else, then if you check, it will show an error. The score is 0, is incorrect like that. Okay, so you have to give chemical equilibrium, and here common ion effect. You check, yes, correct, but your score is 94%. We don't get a complete mark after our final submission. Why? Because in first attempt we done error. That's why the score is 94%. Okay. So these are about the first J clause, and we can see some more option available. That means we can change the color of this bar, and we can insert picture here. Some modification we can do. Let's see. For that, if you want to insert a picture, you just click this icon, and a close similar another icon is there. By clicking this icon, we can import picture from the website by pasting URL. So now I have already a picture in my desktop, so I wish to insert that picture. For that, I am clicking here. I am taking this test tubes, open, then I am giving a width, height 200, then arrange to center. Okay, and I am giving save. Then this is a configuration icon. By clicking here, we can make change in the appearance. Not only in appearance, but also we can bring timer also by going this tab timer. We want to set a time for our exercise. We can put it set a time for this exercise 2 minutes. Then appearance, I am changing this color. I am making this color to green. Okay. Then I am giving overall okay. Then I am again creating the HTML file. Initially I saved chemical fibrium. The same file I am replacing. Save. Yes, replace. View. Now you can see that the timer is started, and the picture what we inserted here, and appearance we changed also notable here. Again I came back to the second facility available in the Hot Potato Shop, JMatch. Clicking. JMatch is just similar as match the following. Here we can do match the following exercise. Before doing any project, I have already told you that we have to give exercise name. Here I am giving exercise name, elements as title. Then I am going to save elements. Giving potassium. Then I am giving the letter K. Tungsten. Giving the letter W. Then I am creating HTML file. Here we can create two types of HTML file. You can see each by elements 1. Save. View the exercise in my browser. Here you can do the exercise. Suppose I am giving by font. Check. I have only 40% score. Again I can rearrange. Give potassium. Check. Now all are right, but I could be able to score only 80% because my first attempt was wrong. Okay. In the JMatch, if we want to insert image instead of text, it is possible, but in this case it's not possible to insert image because image won't come here. So we can insert image. I will show you. You just delete the text K and insert picture from here. Here a icon With the help of that icon, we can insert the picture. You just click there. Then you can insert a picture. Now I am inserting a picture of symbol potassium. You align center. Now I have inserted the image of symbol potassium, and the same procedure we can do in the case of tungsten also. Now I have inserted two images instead of text, potassium and tungsten. Then the next step, we have to save this HTML, and you don't save this HTML by using the first icon that we were already used to save the previous one. Instead of that, we have to use the second one. Before going to create HTML, you should have to save this. So now I am going to save this as a different file. So new file. Elements. Then you come back to create this HTML file by clicking here. Now you can view. So this HTML creation is different from the previous one. Here you could able to see the image of potassium and tungsten. Instead of text, we were inserted the images, and here how we can do the exercise is like that. You just drag the potassium to here, to close to the potassium, tungsten to here. You just drag and you place near to tungsten. Like you can do all the exercise. You have to place very near to a tree, then only it will place there, like that. Then you can check your answer. Now we were done correctly. Okay. So this is all about JMH. In our hot potatoes bucket, still there is 3 more potato left that we will discuss in the second part. Thank you for watching.